Dear Oraimo, how do you always produce sophisticated tech gadgets that's so amazing and yet still affordable? The new Oraimo FreePods 3 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds is the latest budget king because it has the latest Bluetooth 5.2 connection with low latency, intuitive touch controls, long-lasting battery life with fast charging, premium build quality, ergonomic design with comfort and secure fit, clear voice calls with ENC, IPX5 water, sweat, dust resistant, and finally an amazing sound experience with incredibly powerful bass. All these and much more features for a price tag of just 16,500 naira or $30. Nice job, Oraimo. A moment to appreciate the beautiful packaging, and one of the ways of knowing you are getting an original device is when the manufacturer puts a lot of effort in the packaging and unboxing experience. Opening the magnetic top cover, you are greeted with the Hear the Difference slogan, which implies that Oraimo, in partnership with Tubaba, has put some work into the tuning of the earbuds sound. This unboxing style is quite interesting. Opening the shiny transparent cover to the right unveils the FreePods 3, and from first impressions, the flat design and oval shape is similar to what is offered by more expensive earbuds. Moving further, underneath the pyramid layer, you get the extra rubber ear tips of different sizes for comfort and that shaking bars effect. It also has a USB Type-C cable, which is exciting to see thanks to its durability and convenience. Finally, the user manual is loaded with detailed user information in multiple languages. That's all we have in this gorgeous looking box. Unlike the previous FreePods 2 case, the FreePods 3 case has a mixture of matte and glossy finishes, which looks and feels premium. It's more of a matte finish, which helps to reduce fingerprint smudges and gives a firmer grip while holding it. This design language is also present in the earbuds, and although the glossy side was done to allow for smoother in-ear adjustments, but I wish it had a 100% complete matte finishing to help produce a firmer grip in the ears. You could use the rubber ear tips for better grip in the ears. I like how the earbuds feel solid in the hands, which is a good sign of durability. The flat style oval-shaped design of the case of the earbuds is pocket-friendly. The case with the earbuds is also lightweight, which makes it comfortable to carry anywhere. I like the Tubaba edition with Tubaba's automated voice, its signature, and the golden color accent. It's so nice that Oraimo is giving us this build and design at a lower price tag. Note that the magnets that hold the earbuds in the case don't feel strong, but it still does the job as it doesn't fall out when joggled upside down with small force. Pairing is amazingly fast thanks to the new Bluetooth 5.2 connection. As soon as you open the case, it instantly pairs with your smartphone. Inserting the earbuds and closing the case turns off the earbuds. Also, it automatically turns off the earbuds if no pairing is established after 3 minutes to save battery life. The Bluetooth range varies between 5 to 10 meters depending on the number of solid surfaces obstructions. Overall, the connectivity strength is average. The Oraimo FreePods 3 has a larger 30mm dynamic sound driver, which is mostly found in more expensive earbuds, and thanks to Tubaba's professional tuning, it delivers a breathtaking and richer sounding experience, just as it was meant to be had. The stereo sound is so balanced and clear that it doesn't hurt your ears even at the loudest volume. You may sometimes get carried away with the amazing surround sound experience. Great job, Oraimo. One thing we love about the FreePods 3 is the incredibly powerful bass surround effects thanks to the larger 30mm dynamic sound driver. I really appreciate the studio-like sound separation, which is surprisingly good at this price range. I am able to pick out different levels of sounds from different instruments and voices in a piece of music without stress. Although you still hear some distortions at higher frequencies or max volume, which is expected, but it's a lot better than most earbuds I have tested at this price range. Nice job, Oraimo. Another advantage of having the latest Bluetooth 5.2 support is the presence of a very low latency when watching videos, but they are not gaming earbuds, and so you experience a noticeable latency delay when playing games. I love the option to switch from awareness mode to bass mode and vice versa, because sometimes I want to be aware of my environment for security reasons, and I appreciate having the choice to switch back to the rubber ear tips whenever I want that extra surround bass. One of the advantages of buying the FreePods 3 earbuds, apart from its portability, comfort, fit, and lightweight, is its touch controls, and it has good touch response. During music playback, you can double tap on either earbuds to pause or play a track. Press and hold the right earbuds for skipping to the next track, while press and hold the left earbuds for skipping to the previous track. You can also triple tap either earbuds to activate voice assistant and it works fine. Also, the chances for accidental touches when adjusting the earbuds in your ears is minimized thanks to the absence of a single tap touch control. Nice observation from Oraimo. The battery life in the FreePuds 3 is really great thanks to the latest Bluetooth 5.2 lower battery consumption. Depending on the volume level, it lasted on a single charge between 7 to 8 hours with continuous bass-heavy music playback, which is amazing for this price range. The case can recharge the earbuds for a little more than 3 charge cycles, which means you get up to 33 hours total battery life with both earbuds and case, which is plenty enough. So you are looking at up to 11 days or more than a week usage with 3 to 4 hours of random playtime daily. The charging indicator in the case lights up whenever you open or close it, and it's a good addition to help keep track of the case battery status. Unfortunately, there's no charging indicator for the earbuds, but I did my test and discovered it takes less than an hour to fully recharge the earbuds, while it takes about 2 hours to fully recharge the dead case with the dead earbuds inside. And this is done through the 5 watts USB Type-C port, which brings durability, reliability, and convenience. This is the fastest charging speed that I have experienced in this price range. Another major selling point of the Oraimo FreePuds 3 is the environmental noise cancelling mode with 4 microphones beamforming technology for clearer voice calls. You tap twice to answer or end a call, while press and hold for 2 seconds to reject a call. Here is my call ANC test. This is how I sound like without the FreePuds 3 microphones. There is generator noise in the background. I also have my giant fan noise closer to me.
This is how I sound like with the FreePuds 3 microphones with ANC. Let me know what you think about the call quality.
The FreePuds 3 earbuds are IPX5 water, sweat and dust resistant, but can't go deep in water because it is not waterproof. In conclusion, the Oraimo FreePuds 3 are good true wireless stereo earbuds with lots of outstanding functions for just 16,500 naira or $30, and you can get either the white, black or 2BABA edition colors at the Oraimo website through the link in the description below. Let me know what you think about the Oraimo FreePuds 3 in the comment section below. Make sure you always check and confirm the authentication of your Oraimo products because there are fakes in the market. Kindly like this video, share this video and follow me for more reviews and updates like this. Thanks so much for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.